Welcome to Homeoed, your gateway to excellence in homeopathic education. In this presentation, we'll take a closer look at the range of courses we offer to help you achieve your academic and professional goals. Homeoed is committed to providing comprehensive education in homeopathy. With a team of experienced educators and a learner-centric approach, we aim to create the next generation of our homeopathic practitioners. To begin with the BHMS courses, we offer a wide range of BHMS courses for first to final year students. The first year courses include the crash course for BHMS first year according to the CBDC curriculum. The syllabus covered is as per the CBDC norms of all the first year subjects, taught from experienced faculty members. The next for first year we have is the first year BHMS regular course, which contains even the live sessions and demo lectures. We have the test series for first year BHMS students. The test series are prepared as per the standard patterns. All test series are time bound. Test series contain questions of MCQs, SAQs and LAQs. The students can easily access the results immediately after the test. The gradation pattern also helps the student to improve their competent skills. In the line of second year courses, we have a crash course for BHMS second year, including all the second year subjects, and the syllabus is as per the CBDC norms. The second year regular or full course is also available, taught by expert faculties. The test series for BHMS second year contains all the questions from all the second year subjects. In the line of third year, we have the third year crash course, which contains the third year allied as well as the homeopathic subjects. Next is the third year regular course, giving a detailed knowledge of all the third year subjects. Then comes the test series for BHMS third year students. For third year, we also have two specialized courses, that is a course of surgery where the subject of surgery is explained and elaborated in a very deep manner. The course of obstetrics and gynecology is meant to dive deep into the subject where the students can gain an extensive knowledge. The last BHMS, the final year courses include the crash course for fourth year students, having or containing all the fourth year courses, the BHMS fourth year full course or the regular course, and the BHMS fourth year test series. After the BHMS courses, we have the competitive courses, amongst which the first one is the MORO course. The next is the AIAPGET or UPSC entrance exam course or PG entrance exam course. And last but not the least is the exit exam course in the competitive sector. All these competitive exam courses include all the subjects from first year to final year. The contents of all the subjects include the videos, notes, question banks and test series. Everything under one course itself. Apart from the competitive exam courses, the next what we have in line is our one-on-one personal coaching course. Here, there are live webinars where the students can clear their doubt sessions. and all live sessions are free. But in case a student has missed the live session, they can avail all the live recordings at only rupees 999 per month. The next in line is our Rise with Webinars course. Rise with Webinars is an innovative hybrid course meticulously designed to bridge the gap between theoretical knowledge and practical application. Whether you are a practicing clinician or a student, this program offers the perfect blend of flexibility and in-depth learning to cater to your unique needs. This course is intelligently crafted to empower participants, combining the accessibility of online learning with the engagement of live sessions. Rise with Webinars is more than a course. It's a stepping stone to excellence in both academics and clinical practice. All I can say is this course is specially meant for professionals. Free quizzes are also conducted weekly for the students so that they can test their knowledge, and it is only for live attendees. We also have a few special courses like the Oracle of Organon course by Dr. Nagendra Babu sir at a price of only rupees 499. Applied Organon of Medicine course by Dr. A.K. Das sir at rupees 2499, and Applied Materia Medica course by Dr. Jitesh Sharma at only rupees 59. All these special courses delve deep into the respective subject and give a deeper understanding of the same. Thank you.